King Byzantine here, and today we'll be talking about a deal that just went through. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to say that I am not a financial analyst or a professional in the field. I'm just a guy with an opinion, so please do your own research before making any financial decisions. Now let's jump right in. So, what is Blackstone? Blackstone is basically an investment company, and lately they have been buying out a lot of real estate. And here's one of their real estate transactions that's been announced earlier today. So they're going to be buying out Bluerock Residential in a $3.6 billion transaction. Stakeholders in the Bluerock will get $24.25. And they'll get BRG's single-family portfolio as a spinoff, which has an estimated NAV of $5.60. And basically, it's gonna go down sometime in 2022. They estimate the second quarter. And in conclusion, BlackRock gets a lot of apartments, and the shareholders of BlueRock get some cash, and they get a new company. Now, the real question is to me, like, they have an estimated NAV, but I would like to see like how they came up with this formula to calculate this NAV. And I'd like to see more information on the new company. And that could be a reason why. If we go here, Bluerock is trading at $27.20, even though if we go here, oops, I already did the math, but if we did the cash plus the calculated NAV, you'd get a total value of $29.85. Bluerock is trading at $27.40. And if we go back here, you'll see that there's around a 9% discount right now. And I believe that discount is mainly because of two factors. One, we're lacking information for NewCo. And I was just browsing around their Q3 earnings report, and it gives you some information about their single-family portfolio and how they're acquiring property for that portfolio. But the real question to me is like the specific numbers tied to that portfolio, like how much revenue they're getting. I mean, I believe they mentioned some rent numbers for some of their single-family homes, but it seems like I want like an actual statement from them instead of just me sort of just calculating it. So maybe that's the reason why Bluerock is trading at a bit of a discount according to what they calculated here, 5.6 plus 24.25. So maybe that's a thing that people could take advantage of right now by Bluerock and hope the spin-off company goes towards its NAV, their net asset value. But in any case, in my opinion, whoever bought Bluerock's shares, well, they made it off like a bandit. Because if we just go past year alone, it's been trading around $10 to $15. So, yeah, a big chunk of change right there for those who held Bluerock. And if you want to continue holding, maybe it'll pay off if the new co goes towards the NAV. But I guess the second reason the second risk that I didn't mention yet is the fact that there's a slight chance that this deal may not go through. And in any case, yeah, it would drop back down to earth. Probably closer to $10. That's my guess if somehow this deal falls through. But in any case, what are your guys' thoughts of this little acquisition by Blackstone? And what do you think other rivaling investment companies will do? Do you think BlackRock will follow suit and try buying out their own their own apartment REIT? Or what other strategy would other companies take? as we can see here, that Blackstone clearly thinks that acquiring property is the move right now, as they're willing to pay a huge premium compared to where it was, uh, right, like where the stock price was. So just keep that in mind. This is Thinking Byzantine, and have a good day.